So I did it. I fixed the washer. A lot of work. It was easy. It was easy, just a lot of, easy things I had to do, unscrew things, undo things, take things out. But anyway, I fixed the washer. I am so happy. Um, I still have the new Speed Queen coming, so we're going to have to decide what we want to do with this washer because this washer has another 5 to 10 years of life on it. So thinking about what we want to do. Anyway, take a look. Okay, I've got the washer all prepped to do the pump on it. This is an LG WM0642HW. And to remove the pump, there's this little plate in here. This is where we drain. A little plate right there. Let me show you. Right there is a screw that goes through the plate and in here. You undo that. A flat screwdriver, pry a little bit gently here and here, and it pops out. And then you'll see two screws here and here that hold the pump assembly in. So you undo the, well, what I would suggest is undo the hoses first, then undo these. Because it's really hard, at least when the screws are holding it still, it's easier to get the tubes, the pipes off. If you try to take this off first, and the thing's flopping around, and it's a pain. So take the hoses off and then undo these. Here's my tools. It dripped a little bit of water in the bottom, so I just got a towel here. Let me see. Here's pluggies for the bottom assembly. The drain pump is on the top. I'll show you the structure, but this is towards the bottom, and this is a different pump at the bottom. Here's a 2B pipe here. Back in here is a 2B pipe. And then, where is it? Find it. There's the drain hose pipe. Those all had to come off. And here's the pluggies for the drain pump. So we just pull the pluggies. I pull the bottom pluggie before I take the hoses off. We take the hoses off with these pressure clamps. You use pliers and squish them together, which open it up and allow you to do what you need to do. They all have those. My light. My flathead screwdriver for prying. My pliers for getting the hoses loose. Here, I'm going to wrap these wires because I've got dogs and stuff running around. I'm going to wrap the wires just up there so they're not hanging. And this is the access panel. This is how you get to stuff on this washer. Don't try to take this bottom plastic unit off. The plastic cover. The hydraulic thingamajiggers inside, there's like 4 of them. They're attached to this bottom piece. Don't try to take this bottom piece off. I made that mistake. Don't do it. You're just going to have to get in the hole and manipulate inside the hole. So, anyway, the dogs have been having fun while I've been busy.
So this is one of the first nights I ever got him.
Turn off my YouTube. I often listen to YouTube when I'm doing work. Okay. This is the assembly. And it sits quiet, it's just the turkey. It sits in the washer like that. It sits inside the washer up and down. That bottom thing is a different pump. This solid white thing is the drain pump that I'm going to have to replace. You remove them. There's screw there, screw there, screw there. And then you just gently pull on it and it comes out. I mean, it's that simple. Quiet. So anyway, that's where we're at. I am waiting for the new pump to arrive. It will be here, in a couple hours. It's the new pump is going to be here. So at that point, I'll put the new pump on here and then we'll reassemble everything. And cross our fingers and hope that's the deal. All right. I have done it. New pump's in, put all back together. We're going to test it now. I'm going to put the camera down so I can put the water in the tank or in the drum. Okay, here's the water. We're going to dump it in the drum to simulate that the hoses put water into the drum. Blah. Okay, there's the water in the drum. So, close the door. We're going to turn it on. And we're going to select this. This is the drain and spin. It's ready. It's clicked. And it's going. So, trial 1 successful. The last time I fixed it or cleaned out the old pump, I put it in, it worked once, and then it quit. So, let me stop this. Okay. Oh, bucket. Test 2. So, gonna fill the bucket up again. I'm just gonna let it run there for a minute. I'll run to get something. Test 1 successful. Okay, that's enough. Gonna put it in the washer. Okay. There's the hose, kind of wedged under the handle of that pot so it doesn't flip or flop around. On. Filling up the tub. So I'm gonna let it go through the spin. Gonna let it go through the spin doodad. I gotta put that plate back on. Wait till after it's done spinning. I'm gonna wash it up, wipe it down, and back it goes. So, yeah, it's going. Here we go. That gurgling sound you hear is the water, the drain water going into that filter for my leach field. That was the pre-wash, and now we're going into the regular wash. I'll put some more water or some more soap in. There we go. This is regular wash. Get the camera right. This is the pre-wash. Now one of these is water or laundry softener, and one is bleach. And there's the drain water. Yay.